Hey, welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing a strawberry delight. Stick with me. Alright, for my graham cracker crust, I got 20 graham crackers. Now we're supposed to go up to 3 cups. And let's see if I've overpacked my food processor. See if it do what it says it's supposed to do as soon as it comes on. Now I want to say, if you buy something, know how to use it, because I'm sitting here flipping stuff around and yeah, you need to push a button. Looks like it's whipping up pretty good. Yep, that's one batch. I think I'll just add to this instead of dumping it out. Hopefully this comes up to 3 cups. I bought this food processor some time ago. This is the first time I've used it, and I think I've had it too long. We won't tell that we've had it about 6 months. Nobody needs to know that, huh? Got a strong motor. And I know I'm just packing up some graham crackers, but I like what he's doing. It's made good work of it. Let's see how much we got. Alright, to my graham crackers, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a ½ cup of melted butter. Let's combine that together. This may take a couple of minutes, so get this going. And as soon as I get this combined together, I'll be back. Alright, I got this mixed up pretty good, I believe. So we're going to add this to our pan. Alright, hopefully that ain't too bright. Let's back it up a little bit. Lights are reflecting pretty strong there, sorry about that. Add this to our pan. And we're just gonna mash this down. Just gonna spread it out, make sure it's even. Let me get that done. Alright, work this crust down. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make it as even as possible. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am not a real baker, or much on making desserts, but I know families coming together, and that's gonna be the first thing my older sister's gonna ask me is, what did I make for dessert? So this year I'm gonna surprise her. I've made a couple of desserts, so she is gonna be happy, and we're gonna all have a funky good time. So that's my crust. Let's work on the filling. Alright, while I'm waiting on my crust to cool down, let's work on our topping. So we're gonna do some strawberries up. And I'm gonna slice these, and then I'm gonna put sugar on them. So we're gonna make this a really sweet topping. So let me get this taken care of, and then we'll move on to the next step. And I'm just gonna slice these about like that, nothing fancy. Just make sure everybody gets a nice slice involved in there. I got these all sliced up. In this, I'm going with 1 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of salt. Now, salt may sound weird to you, but I guarantee you it'll balance things out and make things just a hint more sweeter. So now I'm gonna take this, put this in the refrigerator, and let that marry together, and we'll move on to the next step. And I did cover it with plastic wrap. All right. In this bowl, we're gonna go with 2 packs of Philly cheese mix. Well, sorry, Philly cheese softened. And then after that, make sure we get it all out of here. Waste not, want not. My favorite thing to say. We're gonna hit it with the old mixer. To this, we're going to add a cup of powdered sugar. Mix well. I'll bring you back, and I got all this combined. Didn't take but a hot second to get that put together. All right, next step. All right, get everything scraped down here. Add in my Cool Whip. This looks fantastic. I've already tasted the powdered sugar and the sour cream cheese, sorry. It is fantastic. So that's it. Get this mixed up. All right, got that all combined up. So what we're gonna do next, put this into our pie crust and get that spread all out. I'm gonna switch to a smaller spatula and see if we can work this around a little bit better. Toss it in the sink, and I'm telling you, this tastes phenomenal already. I could eat this on a biscuit. Wouldn't bother me a bit. But that'd be that country boy in me. I'm sure you city folks will probably find something way much better to do with it, but I can eat this on anything. So let me get this spread out and I'll get back to you. All right, I got it spread out as evenly and as nicely as I think I can do. I'm giving myself a thumbs up. I am not the dessert maker, But I think I'll pat myself on the back because I think I did a good job. I'm gonna let this set overnight and we'll get a shot of it on the plate. Alright, I've had a piece. I'm hiding this one because everybody been munching and ain't but a little bit left. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up.
No, I didn't.
Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one.